The first method is to run pip in Python script folder. To find the Python script folder, type in Python, open file location. Right click, open file location again. You see this script folder? That's what we are searching for. Right click on this before heading on and pin to start so that you don't have to find this again. As you can see here, it's been pinned. Open the folder, click on the folder path and type in cmd. This command will open a command prompt in the current folder. And now you can use pip without any errors. And it did. It says requirement already satisfied. The second method is to use a program that triggers pip externally. To do that, open Python console and type in import pip, because pip in itself is a module that can be used externally by a program, and that's what we are doing here. So pip.main curly brackets and square brackets inside curly brackets. The first argument must be installed, and the second argument is the name of module that you want to install. For example, pygame again, to check that pip is working or not. As soon as I hit enter, it will do the same task that it did a few seconds ago. Requirement already satisfied. The third and the last method is called using pip externally. To do this task, you have to open your browser and open this link. I found this link on YouTube a few days ago. The link is in description. From this website, you can download literally every module manually. It's a huge list, and by huge I mean I'm holding down page down. It's not ending. And there are some modules that are not available on this website that you can download here. And this is the list of modules that are not available. But this page is being frequently updated, so maybe in the future all of these will be available. For example, if I want to find the pygame again, so Control plus F to find a keyword in the whole page. Type in pygame and just click this button, and we found pygame. So as you can see here, there are loads of different versions for the same module. To find out which one is for yours, the first two numbers are the Python version 3.7, 3.9, 3.8, and literally every single version. The last number is the architecture, 32-bit, 64-bit, 32, 64, and that's how it works. My Python version is 3.9 and computer is 32. So I'm picking this one. Okay, delete the older one. So delete the older one. Go back to downloads. Where it is? There it is. Control plus X, Control plus V, and open CMD again. Pip install name of the file. copy and paste. Hit enter and it will start processing the file, the current file that we have selected. And it says Pygame is already installed with the same version as provided PD. This was the last method that you can use. It's like a lifeline for your pip. And if none of these methods work for you, and you're still having some problems and errors, please check that pip is installed in your computer or not. And if you don't know how to check that, you can open the scripts folder, type in cmd, hit enter, and type in pip. And if you get this output, means that pip is installed in your computer. And if it's not, it means that pip is not installed in your computer, and you can visit the website, or I will just give a link down there in the description that you can click and download